For Unit 7, Day 2 notes, we're going to prove triangles are similar. So as you can see, we have 3 different similarity postulates that we're going to work with here. So the first one is angle-angle similarity, side-side-side similarity, and side-angle-side similarity. And then they give you an example of each one. Okay, some of them are like showing you ones that look like they are, but really it's false. They're not that method. So for angle-angle, okay, it says determine if the examples below are similar by angle-angle, and if yes, write a similarity statement. So I look to see, do the angles match up? Alright, so we see that 75 matches up to 75 here. But then we have these other two, so we need to do a little bit of math. We need to add these together, subtract from 180, and we get that this is 31 degrees. Okay, well if I add 75 and 31 and subtract from 180, then I get 74 degrees. So, do these match up? Yes. So this we could say is proven by angle-angle. So we could say yes. And then we have to write a similarity statement. So I would say ABC, so triangle ABC, is similar to triangle DEF. In number 2, again, we're looking for 2 angles that are congruent so that we can write a similarity statement. So we are given these. We know that the vertical angles right here are also congruent. So we are given 2 angles. So again, yes, triangle XVW is similar to triangle XYZ. Okay. For the second set here, we've got side-side-side similarity. So here, I don't worry about if the angles are, or if the sides are equal. The sides have to be proportional. So I start comparing. So 3 goes with 6. So I would go 3 over 6. 4 corresponds to 8. And 5 corresponds to 10. If I reduce my fractions, I have to have the same fraction every time. So if I reduce, I get 1/2. 4/8 is 1/2, and so is 5/10. Those are all equal. So this means that yes, these triangles are similar by side, 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 because all the sides are proportional. So for the similarity statement, we could say triangle PQR is similar to STU. Okay, in number 4, again, same idea. So we've got 30 over 24, 35 over 28, and 32 over 25. Okay, well, if I think about, like, I know I can reduce this by 6. I can reduce this by 7. But 32 and 25, there is nothing they have in common besides 1. They cannot reduce. So I know that this would not be similar because they will not be the same fraction. So no, these cannot be proven by side-side-side similarity. Okay? In number 5 and 6, it says that we want to use the side-angle-side similarity. So there we have to show that 2 sides are proportional. I apologize. And the included angle is also the same. So we do see the angle is congruent, and it's in between the 2 sides. So then we set up fractions. So we say, okay, 8 over 6, 20 over 15. And we reduce them. So 8/6 would be 4/3. And if I divide 5 into that, we would get 4/3 as well. Alright, so, yes, proportional. Definitely. Angles matched up. So this can be proven by side angle side. And then let's go ahead and write the similarity statement. In number 6, we need to go ahead and compare. So I would say 15 compares to the big triangle, 25. And then 12 corresponds to 21. Okay, so that would give me, what, 5 goes into 15 3 and 5 times. And then 3 goes into 12 6. 3 goes into 27. Well, those are not equal. Okay? Even though this angle is congruent to itself, it's reflexive to itself, we have to say no because these sides are not proportional. So no.